Welcome to What's Cooking. Today we will be making chicken fajitas. You will need a kg of chicken, boneless chicken strips, 50 grams of fajita seasoning, 2 peppers sliced and 1 onion sliced. Heat a wok and add 1/4 of a glass of oil. You can use any oil, cooking oil, rapeseed oil, vegetable oil, sunflower oil. Once the oil is heated, add the chicken strips. Stir fry the chicken until the chicken is cooked and the water is dry. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. Mix well. Now add the sliced onions. Cook the onions while so that it's slightly softened. Now add the peppers. Stir fry the peppers well into the chicken and the onions. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the fajita seasoning and mix well. Add some water so the seasoning doesn't burn. Mix the seasoning into the mixture well so it's fully covered. If you feel the mixture is sticking, put some water in. As you can see, the mixture is cooking through. Add some water so you can make a sauce. The chicken will have cooked through now. Try and break up the chicken so we could make them slightly shredded. As you can see, the chicken has cooked through, and I have shredded it slightly. Once you have shredded the chicken, we will assemble the fajitas. You will need a tortilla wrap. Add mayonnaise to a wrap and spread the mayonnaise all over the wrap so the wrap is covered. Add some chicken mixture to the wrap. Put the mixture on the middle of the wrap and make a line. Now add some salsa sauce. Fold the ends of the tortilla wrap onto the chicken. Then fold the top of the wrap and tuck it into the chicken mixture and fold and roll. Cut the wraps in half. Your fajita wraps are ready.